In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money on Google Play Store. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Google Play Store on your device and sign in to your desired Google account. Now, once you're signed in to your desired Google account, click on the top right corner of your screen and head over to payments and subscriptions. Click on payment methods, and in here you'll be able to find all of your available payment methods. There is no direct way to add money on your Google Play Store, and the only way to pay for applications on Google Play Store is to connect your payment methods such as your PayPal account, Gcash account, Shopee Pay, Maya account, credit or debit card account. Since Google Play Store doesn't have a built-in feature where you can cash in your money to, connecting your payment methods is the best way to add money to your Google Play Store. And that's how you can simply add money on Google Play Store. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.